Hello students, welcome to our channel Learning Notebook. In today's video, we will do complete chapter of addition and subtraction for class 5. In this video, we will learn every concept related to addition, subtraction of large numbers along with how to solve their word problems. But before starting with this video, let me tell you that we have made videos on every chapter of class 5 mathematics. We also have interesting worksheets and quizzes on each chapter. You can find all of them on our channel Learning Notebook. So let's see what all topics we are going to cover today in this video. First, we will understand how to add large numbers, then how to subtract large numbers. After that, we will do word problems related to addition and subtraction of large numbers. And in the end, I will give you a worksheet for your practice. So let's start with addition of large numbers. Let's take an example. Add these two numbers. To add these two large numbers, first we will write them in column form as shown here. Now, we will start adding them from ones place. 0 plus 7 equals to 7. Next, add the digits at tens place. 3 plus 5 equals to 8. Next, add the digits at hundreds place. 4 plus 8 equals to 12. Since 12 is a two-digit number, so we will carry 1 to the thousands place and write 2 in the answer. Next, add the digits at thousands place. Just make sure to add this carry 1 here. So 1 plus 5 equals to 6 and 6 plus 3 equals to 9. Next, add the digits at 10 thousands place. 1 plus 4 equals to 5. Next, add the digits at lakhs place. 6 plus 1 equals to 7. And lastly, we will add the digits at 10 lakhs place. Here we have only 2. So let's write 2 in the answer. So this is our answer. 2759,287. 27 lakh 59,287. So this is how we add large numbers. Let's see more examples. Now let's add 3 large numbers. So these are the 3 numbers. First, write them in column form. Like this. Now start adding them from ones place. 8 plus 7 equals to 15. 15 plus 2 equals to 17. Since 17 is a two-digit number, so carry 1 at tens place and write 7 in the answer. Now add the digits at tens place and make sure to add this carry here. So 1 plus 9 equals to 10. 10 plus 6 equals to 16. Again, carry 1 to the hundreds place and write 6 in the answer. Next, let's add 1 plus 2 equals to 3 and 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Next, add 1 plus 2 which is equals to 3. Next, 3 plus 4 equals to 7 and 7 plus 1 equals to 8. And lastly, 5 plus 2 equals to 7 and 7 plus 2 equals to 9. So this is our answer. 983,667. 9,83,667. Next example. Let's add 3 numbers again. These are the 3 numbers. First, write them in column form. Now, add them from ones place. So, 2 plus 8 equals to 10. So, carry 1 to the tens place and write 0 in the answer. Next, take a look at this tens place. Here we have only 1 carry. Rest of them are 0. So let's write 1 in the answer. Then at hundreds place we only have 7. So write 7 in the answer. Then at thousands place we have only 2. So write 2 here. Next at 10,000s place we have 8. So write 8 here. And then at lakhs place we have 7. So this is our answer. 782,710. 7,82,710. So students, this is how we do addition of large numbers. Now let's see how to do subtraction of large numbers. Let's take our first example. Subtract these two numbers. So to subtract them, first write them in column form. Now start subtracting them from ones place. But here 2 is weaker than 9. So 2 takes help of 1. So 1 becomes 0 and 2 becomes 12. Now 12 minus 9 equals to 3. Next, 0 minus 0 equals to 0. Next, 0 minus 0 again equals to 0. Next, here 1 is weaker than 9. So it takes help of 4. So 4 becomes 3 and 1 becomes 11. Now 11 minus 9 equals to 2. Next, 3 minus 3 equals to 0 and then we have 9. So this is our answer. 902,003. 9,02,003. This is our answer. So this is how we subtract large numbers. Let's do one more example. This time subtract these two large numbers. So after writing them in column form, let's start subtracting them from ones place. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. Next, 0 is weaker than 8. So 0 takes help of this 9. So this 9 becomes 8 and 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 8 equals to 2. Next, 8 minus 2 equals to 6. Next, here 0 is weaker than 3. So 0 takes help of 5. So 5 becomes 4 and 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 3 equals to 7. Next, 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Next, here 8 is weaker than 9. So 8 takes help of 2. So 2 becomes 1 and 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9 equals to 9 and then 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So this is our answer. 917624. 9,17,624. So students, now I'm sure you have understood how to do subtraction of large numbers. Now we will understand how to solve word problems related to addition and subtraction of large numbers. Let's see the first word problem. The population of city A is 24,69,990 and that of city B is 39,83,214. What is the total population of both the cities? Students, to solve any word problem, first it is important to understand that word problem and identify whether it is of addition or of subtraction. So here, let's first understand this word problem. Here we are given with the population of city A and population of city B. And question is asking us to find the total population of both these cities. Since we have to find total population, it means we have to do addition here. Okay, so we have identified that we have to do addition in this word problem. So now let's see how to solve this. First, we will write the statements. Population of city A equals to 24,69,990 and population of city B is given as 39,83,214. Now, to find population of both the cities, let's add both these large numbers. So to add them, first write them in column form and then start adding them from ones place. 0 plus 4 equals to 4. Next, 9 plus 1 equals to 10. So carry 1 to the hundreds place and write 0 in the answer. Next, add this carry here. 1 plus 9 equals to 10 and 10 plus 2 equals to 12. So carry 1 and write 2 in the answer. Next, 1 plus 9 equals to 10 and 10 plus 3 equals to 13. Carry 1 and write 3 in the answer. Next, 1 plus 6 equals to 7 and 7 plus 8 equals to 15. So carry 1 and write 5 in the answer. Next, 1 plus 4 equals to 5 and 5 plus 9 equals to 14. So again carry 1 and write 4 in the answer. And in the last we will do 1 plus 2 equals to 3 and 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So this is our answer 6453204. Students, in the word problems, make sure to write the answer statement also. Population of city A and B equals to 64,53,204. Second word problem. A candy factory produced 195,604 candies in May. In June, it produced 267,002 candies. In which month did it produce more candies and by how much? So here first let's understand this word problem. A factory has produced these many candies in the month of May. And then the same factory produced these many candies in the month of June. Now we have to find in which month more candies were produced. So students, we can clearly see in the month of June, more candies were produced. Now, next we have to find how much more candies were produced. So to find it, we have to subtract these two numbers. Okay? So let's solve it. Number of candies produced in May equals to 195,604. Number of candies produced in June is given as 267,002. Now, we will find their difference to answer how much more candies were produced in the month of June. So, to subtract these two large numbers, let's write them in column form and then start subtracting them from ones place. 2 is weaker than 4. So 2 takes help of 7. So 7 becomes 6. Then the 0 becomes 10. Then 10 becomes 9. And in this way we keep on borrowing until this 2 becomes 12. Now we can do 12 minus 4, which is equals to 8. Next, 9 minus 0 equals to 9. Next, 9 minus 6 equals to 3. Next, 6 minus 5 equals to 1. Now, 6 is weaker than 9. So, 6 takes help of 2. So, 2 becomes 1 and 6 becomes 16. And 16 minus 9 equals to 7. And lastly, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So, we have got the answer as 71398. Let's write the answer statement. 71,398 more candies were produced in the month of June. Now let's see the last word problem. The number of visitors who visited an amusement park last year was 7621,985. Out of this, 3124202 were men, 2302564 were women, and the rest were children. How many children visited the amusement park last year? So here students, we are given with total number of visitors who have visited an amusement park. Now, out of these visitors, these many were men, these many were women, and the rest were children. And we have to find these number of children. Okay, so to find the same, first of all, we will add these two large numbers. And then we will subtract it from total number of visitors. So in this word problem, we have to do addition as well as subtraction. So let's solve this. First of all, write the statements. Number of visitors who visited amusement park last year were 7621,985. Then number of men visitors were 3124202 and number of women visitors were 2302564. So let's first add these two numbers, number of men visitors plus number of women visitors. So let's add them. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. 0 plus 6 equals to 6. 2 plus 5 equals to 7. 4 plus 2 equals to 6. 2 plus 0 equals to 2. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. And 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So we have found total number of men and women visitors here, which are 5426766. So now we are given with total number of visitors and we have found number of men and women visitors. And to find number of children, we will do total visitors minus number of men and women visitors. So let's subtract them. To subtract them, first write them in column form. And now here 5 is weaker than 6. So 5 takes help of 8. So 8 becomes 7 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6 equals to 9. And 7 minus 6 equals to 1. Now 9 minus 7 equals to 2. Next, 1 is weaker than 6. So 1 takes help of 2. So 2 becomes 1 and this 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 6 equals to 5. Next, here 1 is weaker than 2. So 1 takes help of 6. So 6 becomes 5 and 1 becomes 11. And 11 minus 2 equals to 9. Next, 5 minus 4 equals to 1. And lastly, 7 minus 5 equals to 2. So this is our answer. 2195219. Let's write the answer statement. Number of children visited amusement park last year equals to 21,95,219. So students, now I'm sure you have understood how to do addition and subtraction of large numbers and how to solve their word problems. Now in the end, I am giving you a worksheet for your practice. So students, solve this worksheet and check your answers with the answers available below in the description box. Do watch my other videos and share my channel and my videos with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.